What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, is that a four-wheeler? No, that's a lawnmower. Somebody's on a lawnmower over there. We're going to go and explore this place. Yeah, it might look like a ton of junk to y'all. To me, it's treasure. Bro, look. It's like straight piped right here. Dude, these things are pretty neat. I didn't know that there was this much stuff here. It's like, I'm just gonna know that all this stuff is here. Ooh! Almost died. Oh. Skills. No, that was sketches. It's alright. Bro. Wonder if I can pop a wheelie on this sucker. Just like lean back on it. Oh gosh. It actually moved. Wow, I'm doing it. Oh, wow. Wow. That's a lot of gas tanks. That's a lot of gas tanks. What's all the rim cars? Wait a hot second. If I take a gas tank, like this one right here, and I put it on this right here, that's how it's done. Gas tank on the bike. No, I'm just kidding. That's dumb. That's kind of dumb. Oh, there's another one. Hey, another one. Bash dust. Oh yeah, I remember this one. This one happened whenever it was the good old days. Gagnons. Go check out their channel. One of them is Gagnon Racing. Good channel. Go check it out. And the other one, I'll get demonetized if I say it. So, yeah. There it is. There's the puppy right there. There she is. And now I'm kind of stuck in the woods. I was gonna go hunting, but my rifle's broken and it's so cold outside that I have not seen a single bird or a single, what is it called? Squirrel. I haven't seen a single bird or a single squirrel yet. That's kind of sad. I want to go adventuring this way more. See what it has to offer. See what you have to offer. I mean, I've already been through all these woods multiple times, but you know, the vlog hasn't seen them. The vlog hasn't seen what's over here. You guessed it, a ton of briars. Ouch. Right in my bunghole. Alright, I got it. Alright. We back here. Oh shoot, that's got what? Ah, it's cold. And it's on my foot. Oh, I'm freezing cold right now. The temperature, it'll be like somewhere on the screen. You can look. It'll be somewhere on there. It should be somewhere on there. Yep. I got a dirt bike tire. And now, well, this is not a dirt bike tire. This is bigger than a dirt bike tire. That looks like a... No, I think that's a dirt bike tire. I don't know, though. Maybe it's not. Yeah! Whoa. That actually went pretty far. I was not expecting that. Oh! Spokes. Yes, I need these. I would take this whole entire rim. Honestly, it's still in pretty mint condition, dude. It's pretty mint condition, dude. Okay, that was really bad. Well, that was pretty fun. Looked around at some old motorcycle parts. I think that's gonna be it for this video. It's kind of not very exciting, but there's not really many things to do in winter that is exciting, except for whenever it snows. So, yeah. See you guys later.